This is the most difficult work of this master, and the thing is that this time he got a table, which is more than 30 years old and was made of natural wood, but over time, due to humidity, it broke and began to bend. So the first thing he did to make the table flat again was to carefully and with great precision cut every extra millimeter off the table. So after 6 hours, he finally has a level tabletop, but now he has to restore the perfect look of the table and remove all the cracks. So he takes epoxy resin and fill all the cracks with it and then polish and paint the table perfectly. Give the craftsman a like for the cool restoration of this table.